Hello everybody, I'm George. Today I'm going to show you around and build something in Blender. So once you open Blender, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 selections you can select. So they all have different usage. The first one lets you select the block. If you have a lot of cubes, a lot of different shapes, you can select them. Now this one is for tracking them. So once you zoom in, it will stay on your target. This one, the third one is really useful. It's called move. So you have this little circle here. Then you have this red line and green line and blue line. The inner circle lets you move any way you want. The green one lets you only move in this line. The blue one lets you move upwards. And the red one lets you only move this way. So this one, the fourth one, is called the turnaround. So you can turn the cube any way you want. Very nice. The shortcut, if you did something wrong, like whoopsie daisies, I do not like that. So you just press Ctrl Z. The fifth one is called the scale. You can scale how big is it, and scale cage. And you can drag to make it bigger or smaller. Now this one, the sixth one lets you transform. So here, the middle button lets you move any way you want. This white line lets you turn. The blue one just lets you turn around. This blue box right here lets you increase the size. It only lets you increase the size. The green one lets you thin it and enlarge it. The red one lets you increase it by a big number of size. The seventh one, annotate, it just makes you easier. So you can write something here. The eighth one, I find it really useful, is called measure. This is what in real life, how big it would be. So this cube is 2.7427 meters. Now the ninth one is pretty important. That's what we're going to be focusing on. You can delete the cube first. And then the ninth one lets you build. So if you hover over it, you can have lots of different options. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make a tower. So you add cylinder. We're going to start with a base. So a good base, we'll use a cylinder here. So like this. And then we'll go up like that. Very good. I do not like the shape because it's too fat. So let's start again. So this time I'm going to be thinner. Like this. Now I'm going to add over the cylinder. It does not always have to be perfect because our third option we learn can move things. this. When you think it's good enough, you can press away. Also, there's another key to success is the middle cursor. So the middle cursor lets you zoom around and see if there's any mistakes. You can even go underneath if you need to. I'm gonna fast forward these few parts while I'm building. I'm gonna put a ball on it, but you do not have enough space to put a ball on it. And let me tell you, there are two different kinds of balls. So, a UV sphere is a more compact sphere, while the icosphere is made up of triangles, less vertices. So what I'm going to do is a very clever trick you guys all should try. Is going to make the ball first. Compare the balls. Which one is better and which one isn't. And you can make different sizes. Good. This one is the roundest. Let me try that one first. So I'm going to use the transform first, then move. Oops. There, now delete the other ones. And finished. We're gonna add a cone on this one. Add cone. Move. Let go. Now, you see here, I think I can make this part also a cone. Let's see. Oopsies. So remember, it always takes a little bit of time and practice. There. It looks very nice. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? Put it down in the comments below. Alright, that is our castle finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up because that will really help the channel. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.